Hello YouTube, and welcome to a new series. Yep, we're going to be doing something quite interesting off the topic of Hot Wheels, but it's car related, so if you're into cars, be sure to check this out. So, in 5 weeks I am going camping. I've been invited by a friend and I thought, hey, why not convert a car? A camper car. Sounds brilliant. Much better than a stupid tent that's going to fly away when there's a gust of wind, or, you know. Just sounds more fun, doesn't it? It's like the birds are judging me. The car is not the car I'm sitting behind. It's not this here car. This big, comfortable, powerful car that already becomes fitted with a tow bar and adequate fixings for a roof bar. No, not that car. Thanks, insurance. Nope, I'm taking this. My little 306. Now there's already one thing I have noticed with this car. Yes, you might be able to see my problem. Thanks to insurance for being so expensive, I'm stuck with my little old 306, which is also my first car, which I can still just only afford to run the thing. Thanks life, why are you so expensive? So, 5 weeks to turn this little old Peugeot into a camper van. Gonna be difficult, I think. And yeah, so a few ideas I've already had was some big batteries, solar panel on the roof or something to sort of keep it up, you know, charged, and so I got power, some lights, obviously a bed, a nice big comfy bed. The idea is to make it more comfortable than a tent. Be sure to leave some comments down below. Give me some suggestions of what I should put in it. I might do it. Who knows? Depends if your suggestions are good or not. Or whether I can afford to do it. Or whether I have time to do it. Or whether anyone comments. No one will probably comment because that's the life of starting YouTube. In the next few weeks I'm going to be trying to save up, buy some bits for the car, and hopefully get to work on converting it, and then going up for an entire week to live in it. So if it's not very comfy and not very nice, I'm stuck in it for a week. And of course I will sort of semi-vlog style the entire journey, and it will be up on this very channel, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see that. Apart from actually making it a bit more vlog style when I'm up there, I do want to put some more effort into the editing. I want to put some B-rolls in, maybe some nice little features. Obviously I'm going to do a peg hunt while I'm up there, because we're actually going on a long drive, so it's a long drive as well, so the car actually has to be reliable. I'm a bit worried about that. I think it's like a 4 or 5 hour drive. Yes, I'm going to do some bit more editing, make the video interesting, bit more editing. I might even pay for some music, who knows. I might go full out on this and try and boost the channel. But hey, I'm looking forward to doing it, and I'm looking forward for you to tag along. See you in the next one.